Solenoid valve replacement. Step 1. Identify the faulty solenoid valve and locate its corresponding position in the machine. Step 2. Power off the machine, shut off the pneumatic valve, and vent any residual gas. Remove the lower discharge hopper to access the solenoid valve. Step 3. Remove the cover plate beneath the solenoid valve. Disconnect the air tube connected to the ejector. Detach the solenoid valve's mounting bracket. Carefully extract the solenoid valve from the inner side and disconnect the blue intake tube at its rear. Step 4. Open the rear sorting chamber door. Remove the backlight assembly. Detach the black clamp plate securing the solenoid valve's power cable. Unplug the corresponding power cable from the valve driver board. Gently pull out the solenoid valve from the front. Step 5. Install the new solenoid valve. Reassemble the cover plate, backlight, and other components. Power on the machine and test the solenoid valve sequence and air blowing functionality. Once confirmed operational, reinstall all remaining components. The solenoid valve replacement is now complete.